Hi, I'm Rebecca Chaplin. I am a car journalist, but I mainly write about car dealerships, auctions, buying and selling. So today I'm going to be answering some questions from Motors.co.uk readers about the car buying process. So the first question we've got here, very relevant to the moment, with lockdown restrictions easing as of May 17th, what does this look like for dealerships? Well, like any other retail, car dealers have been able to open their showrooms from April 12th, but that doesn't mean that you can necessarily just go walking in there. A lot of car dealers have kept the same restrictions in place and are now working on an appointment only basis, which is great if you just want the showroom to yourself. Obviously works really well with car dealerships because you usually want to talk one-on-one with the salesman. So just bear that in mind, give them a call first, and if you call them and tell them you're going to turn up, then try and turn up. Don't be that person who doesn't. So our next question. This is quite a question in quite a lot of parts, but from someone who wants to buy a VW Tiguan as soon as possible. They say their budget is £14,000, but they think they need at least 16 or 17,000. And can I tell them about the different variants they can choose from, keeping in mind that they want an automatic diesel car, about 3 to 4 years old, and they want to know which is the best variant to buy. And also want to know if they can get one that's about 60 miles per gallon and is the lowest in road tax. So I'm going to try and answer all of your points in there if I can. I think if a Tiguan is what you want, then you could get one within that price range, but you just might need to reevaluate your expectations a little bit. Most of the ones that you're looking at, the kind of 3 to 4 years old, you want something with good spec, like the most recent generation, that is probably going to cost you more like 17,000, 18,000. But there are definitely out there. I had a look, there's a few you could get within the 14,000 mark. You're looking at slightly higher mileage, and really if you want to get one within that price range and open up your options a lot more, you're going to want one which is slightly older, and they're not so well known for their reliability, so I'd probably recommend against that. But if you really want a Tiguan, you could do it. Without wanting to be negative, I think you would be better off reevaluating what you want. You could get something like a Skoda Kodiaq or a Seat Ateca, which is only a couple of years old, with plenty of tech for around the same price. Or if you wanted to look outside VW Group, you could get something like a Nissan Qashqai, with all of that you're looking for, auto, diesel, and plenty of bells and whistles to go with it. And finally, on the day of buying a car, do I need insurance the moment I drive off the forecourt? Yes, you do. It's a legal requirement to be insured. You don't want to be picked up by police driving home and not be able to say to them, well, yeah, I've bought insurance already. Bear in mind, it probably won't come up on their system that quickly, but you'll have the documents emailed to you. But if you're buying, maybe you've bought online and you're doing the 14-day thing and you're not sure whether it's something you're going to want to commit to for a long time, consider temporary insurance. But if you do go for a full annual policy, it's obviously going to cost you less. But if you think that you might cancel in the not too distant future because you're not sure whether the car is right for you, then just check what the terms are on cancellation. A lot of them you can get free cancellation within 14 days, but some of them do put an admin fee on there, so you might be better off going for temporary cover instead. Hopefully some of those answers were helpful to you. If you've got any more questions, go to motors.co.uk and send them in there, and I will answer them for you next time.